So if you are a SolidWorks user and you started learning SolidWorks and you want to be a SolidWorks professional, that means you want to work in the professional industry as a CAD designer, whether that's getting a job, whether that's starting a freelancing career. And right now you are there at the beginning of your journey and you experiment with a SolidWorks, right? You try to build something and things collapse. You got an errors, you don't know why this error appeared. What is the cost of this error? You try to build something, but you don't know even how to start, right? Some maybe advanced thing. You don't know what tools I need to use. What tool I need to use first? On which plane do I need to start? Right? If you're confusing in these things, watching more random tutorials will not get you there. Sure, you can learn more tools, you can know more features, but the thing is, you will not learn design thinking. You will not learn design logic, right? You will not learn design sequence. Because for that, you need a structure. For that, you need to work on the examples that actually guide you through step by step, not only to show you what are these steps, but actually explain to you why we use this certain thing on this step. And what happens if something changes? How will that affect our model? Because that skill will get you to your freelancing career. That skill will get you to your SolidWorks job. And especially now when AI is getting into SolidWorks as well, and it's replacing designers who do simple things. AI can already do simple things, even more advanced things. So if you don't know the logic behind that intent, you won't be able to survive in CAD designer industry. And that's why it's very important that you take this seriously if you wanna be at the top. Because only people at the top will survive. And that's why I created SolidWorks Modeling Accelerator. And I've been teaching SolidWorks for over 5 years now. If you check on my Udemy profile, I have over 50,000 paid students on my courses, 4.6 out of 5 rating on my courses. I now upgraded all of these courses. I created a structure and I put it under one system, SolidWorks Modeling Accelerator. And all of these courses follow the same 3 steps. We explain the tools and we have 3 levels of tools. We have basic tools, right? For example, basic features, and these features drive the model, right? For example, extrude, features that add material. Then the second thing, we have secondary feature, and these features can be like a patterns. These can be extruded cut, right? So we create instances of the same thing, or we cut the material. And then we have number 3, cosmetic features. And those are like a fillets, chamfers, and so on, right? So we get cosmetic things on our models. And then we have examples. So we show how to implement these features in different situations. And then also we give you exercises. So you actually work on your own. And following these 3 steps, I see that gives students the highest level of success. To go from confused, I don't know where to start, I don't know why this error appears, to actually work on the advanced things. So SolidWorks Modeling Accelerator is the system that will take you from the level 1 to the level 10 in the fastest possible way. So if your goal is to become a SolidWorks industry professional this year, not next year, not for 3 years, this year, then check out down below SolidWorks Modeling System. We are covering there from sketching, part design, assembly, drawing, portfolio creation, rendering and animation, surfacing, sheet metal, finite element analysis, fluid simulation. And all of this, we go from beginner to the professional level. So if you go this year is to work as a SolidWorks CAD designer, having professional paid job, then click the link below and check out SolidWorks Modeling Accelerator. See you on the other side.